Hello and happy Tuesday. My name is Michael Leeserman here with the Trial Guide's tip of the day. The date is October 22nd, 2024. Our tip today comes from the video Creating Magic in Trial by Randy McGinn. Instead of controlling the difficult witness, what you want to do is expose them for what they are, whether they're lying, not answering your question, or waffling. The techniques we learned as lawyers should not be to force them to answer the question we want. It should be to expose the fact that they're not being fair with you and not answering the question. Yes, absolutely. Randy just hits on something so important here. The goal is not for you to show as a lawyer that you have power over the person you're cross-examining. I think never, I could imagine once or twice in the right situation, asking for a yes or no answer. But I think it drives jurors nuts for you. And I think it reflects poorly on you to say, now, doctor, this is my question. Answer yes or no. Did this or that? No, that's just bullying. Not everything can be answered yes or no. That's the truth of it. And I handle cross-examination very different than I think a lot of people do. I don't like the some of the more traditional advice, don't ask a question in cross that you don't know an answer to. Keep it to closed questions, binary choices like yes or no. If someone, especially an expert or a defendant that you're cross-examining, wants to go on and on to explain something and you don't like the explanation, let them. And then you can go back to it and say, I understand. We each have a different way of doing it. Say, I understand that it's very important for you to talk about the color of the light, even though I just didn't ask you about that. But let's not talk about the color of the light, but let's just talk about the road conditions that day. It was clear that day and sunny, and there was nothing obstructing your vision. Isn't that true? Well, as I was approaching the green light, and a lot of lawyers would just shut that down. Objection, move to strike. Judge, I want you to instruct him to answer the question. Now, just see what you're getting there. And Randy McGinn has some great words of wisdom here. This is a chance to show that they're unfair, that they're trying to interject something. They're trying to, it's more complicated than that. I'm just giving a simple example. Just don't be constrained by what's been handed down as traditional wisdom. Consider it, learn it, and really know that the goal is to prove your case, to show you're on the side of truth. And so many times, the defense will just sink themselves. So let them. Let's take a deep breath together. Just be grateful to be alive this Tuesday. May the work that we do today help to reduce suffering in the world. May it help repair the world. May we fiercely and compassionately champion our clients' causes. May our actions as lawyers today exemplify the profession of being a lawyer at its highest ideals of honor and truth. I'm going to ring a bell 3 times now. This can take you into a meditation practice, a prayer practice, or just remind you, it's Tuesday, wake up, go out, do good things, and have fun while you're doing it.